Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 4-bedroom, 6-bathroom, 2-story residential house for sale. It sits on 0.37 acres of land and is located in the upscale South Sea Park, White House, Westmoreland. The ground floor consists of a bedroom with ensuite bathroom and closed closet, front porch, an entry foyer, living room, powder room, linen closet, pantry, laundry room, double car garage, back porch, bathroom, kitchen with tiled countertops, hardwood cupboards and center aisle, dining area and storage area. The upper floor has a landing area, 2 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, closed closet, a study, master bedroom with ensuite bathroom and standing shower, jacuzzi and walk-in closet. The bedrooms provide views of the Caribbean Sea. The property features a standby generator, a solar water heater, 2 plastic water tanks, and electric pump. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 630,000 or Jamaican $96.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.